Hi coaches, consultant and business owner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your website into a high converting sales funnel that can help you to generate 6 to 7 figures every single month. I'll also share why having a proper sales funnel can help you to boost your profit even if algorithm keeps changing. Plus, I'll break down the exact strategy my clients use to stay profitable with high ROI. So let's get into it. First, let's understand the difference between a website and a sales funnel. So, a website is basically something like this. Website is basically it have your picture, it have some pages about us, contact us, and so on. Some information about you, some blogs or pages over here. So, all right. So this is how the URL tab look. So a website is basically more of a informative kind of thing. Website is there to provide information, who you are, what you do, what your business is about. So this is what a website is. But my mentors have told me that if you want to be profitable on the internet, you need to make your website into a money making machine. And how you can do that is by creating a sales funnel. Sales funnel. So what is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is basically a series of pages linked together to make you profitable. All right. What do I mean by that? Let's understand that first. So a sales funnel basically start with capturing your opt-in page. Opt-in page. So rule number one for an online business, you need to capture name, email, and phone number of your target audience. You can't stay dependent on your followers. If you have a higher follower, that doesn't mean you're going to stay in business for a long time. Algorithm keeps on changing. If you have a large number of subscribers, that doesn't mean you're going to always have that subscriber. All right, YouTube's keep on changing. Every platform is there to keep on changing, so you can't rely on them. All right, you need to have your own email list. You need to attract your clients inside your email list, right? So sales funnel basically looks something like this. Okay, it's a funnel where basically you divide them into different series. All right, so first you gather lead. Okay, you capture lead. And how you can capture it? By providing something for free. Okay, it can be an ebook, it can be a checklist. You have saw a lot of people run ads uh, and asking people for name and email to give something for free. What they do, they basically capture the email list, right? They basically capture and build the email list. The stronger your email list will be, the more profitable you are going to stay in your business, no matter what happens to the internet. All right, no matter what happens to the algorithm. So first is you're going to have their name, email, phone number by providing something for free. Ebook, checklist, okay, free video, free workshop, right? You can do that. After opt-in page, on thank you page, you're going to offer them for something for low ticket, maybe $7, $17. All right, so basically charging low ticket will help you to divide your audience into a free segment and a paid segment. So it's very important to know who are there for a free stuff and who are there who are serious, who are ready to take out their credit card for you. If they are taking out credit card for you, it means they trust you. Okay, and they are your ideal clients. Next pages, you can have something maybe OTO, one time offer. Okay, something for $47, $97, depending on what you can provide. So you can just go to chat gpt or any AI, just ask to create upsells for your product or services. Okay, because if you are running ads right now, for example, if this is your sales funnel, okay, you should never rely on one product, one service. You should create multiple services that you can upsell, cross sell. That's what will make your business profitable, and it will bring high return on investment, right? And let's suppose you're running meta ads and you're spending $100 a day. right? And you taking and you people are coming to your sales funnel, right? If you just have one product that you are selling to your audience and you start doing break even, you're not going to make any profit. But what if you will have layers of upsells? It basically helps you to charge your clients more money. You keep increasing the value of your products and you will stay profitable at the end of the day. That is the whole motive of creating a sales funnel. All right, here you give something for free. All right, you start getting people who are your target audience. You charge something $17, then you charge $47, and so on. You can charge $500 and so on. Okay, plus you can have a book call. Okay, and you can charge even higher, $5,000, $7,000, anything. This is why it's important to have a sales funnel in your business. So now, as we have understood how sales funnel can be really amazing, I'm going to make more videos about the types of sales funnel. But the main question is how you can create amazing sales funnel like this. And to create sales funnel like this, there are so many tools on the market, like ClickFunnels, Go High Level. But the one I use is System.io. It's absolutely free and it's one of the most powerful sales funnel system that you can have. It have a email automation software, so you don't require that. So let's go into System.io and let me show you the benefits of it. Alright guys, so this is System.io. So you can just click on the link in the description. You can get access to this, create a free account over here. Here you basically get a dashboard where you can have all your leads coming in, all the profits that you're making. You also have CRM. All right, you can have your contacts here, tag pipelines, calendar, sites. You can also create blogs, sales funnel over here. You can create digital store, you can create email campaigns and all that you can create. The best thing that I love about System.io that it's first of all absolutely free for the beginners. Okay, you can create 3 sales funnel for absolutely free. And how you can create that, plus it have a email automation software built in, so you don't require any other software. You can send emails from this software. I'm going to create a more in-depth video how to set up all this, but for now I'm going to quickly show you how you can create a sales funnel. Okay, so you can just click on create. Now you can come here. Now the best thing about is it's already have lots of templates. Okay, so you can just select any template. Let me see if there is any code. Okay, all right, so we selected a template. You can just click on edit page. You will get access and it just drag and drop. You can do that easily. Okay, and this is how your sales funnel will start looking. You can just change your title, change the pictures, change the colors. Okay, in upcoming videos, if you want, I can give you the step-by-step guide how you can create this for the specific niche. But for now, just go to System.io. You can search videos on YouTube. It have bunch of videos that you can search and create your own. And if you need our help to build an amazing sales funnel that we do for our client and help them to grow to 6 to 7 figures, you can reach out to us at uditmedia.com. We have helped multiple clients to generate high profitable sales funnel and it's helping them to generate over $22 million. So if you need our help, reach out to us and I will see you in the next one.